comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. TECO Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. TECO Auto Water teaches children hand-washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has two powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. TECO Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. TECO Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. TECO Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.